welcome to another video here with SirMalo Performance. As you guys can see, I have Project Muerto here in front of us. I have a couple more things to do with it, but I definitely wanted to show you guys what the work accomplishment was. Built over time, not overnight. Quick little walk around here. The truck, did the tail lights, did my third brake light. I still got to do my 2-inch shackles on the back, but I might swap out the rear end for disc brakes. That's it for the exterior. Just a quick walk around here. Did the front end. You guys seen that before? Let's go ahead and check out that interior, shall we? Door panels, tweeter installed. I think it looks pretty decent. All up in there, sorry about the wind. Got everything in there. Let's go check out the driver's side now. Again, door panels installed now. Still need to do the visors. I know that's an eyesore, guys, but so far I'm pretty happy. Alright guys, so that pretty much sums it up for the interior. Everything's matching from the top to the bottom. Stay tuned for more with SirMalo Performance, or SMP. This is Project Muerto. Thank you guys. Peace.